Hi, I'm Wei Ling. Today's topic is how to practice Mandarin speaking online - top 3 reasons why you don't have a one-on-one online tutor. If you want to improve your Mandarin speaking skills ASAP, having a private tutor is highly recommended. But the truth is, you don't have a tutor. Why? First, there are too many choices. Thanks to the internet and technology, nowadays everyone can be an online tutor. On the day of recording, Preply has 1,353 Mandarin tutors. Italki has 773 Mandarin tutors. To know which tutor is better, you need to go through their files one by one and book their trade class to see if you feel comfortable with the tutor. It takes a lot of time. Second, there is no standard. As mentioned above, everyone can be an online tutor nowadays. But what makes it more interesting is you still see people ask the question on Reddit, where to find a good Mandarin online tutor. What's that mean? That means people don't know how to choose a Mandarin online tutor for them because there are thousands of Mandarin tutors out there, but there is no standard for that. So if you are facing the same difficulty, I'll make a series of videos specifically on that. Share with you how to choose a Mandarin online tutor works better for you. So remember to follow or subscribe. Third, need to pay. The major reason that you don't have a one-on-one tutor is because you think paying for an online tutor is a waste. You prefer self-taught. Well, it's yes and no. I mean, if the tutor doesn't suit you, of course, yes, it's wasting money. But what if I tell you that having a one-on-one tutor isn't a waste? It actually helps you to make more money. Next episode, I'm going to talk about how to practice Mandarin speaking online - why having a one-on-one tutor helps you to make more money. Final, a question for you. The rest of life, you want to continue learning Mandarin slowly on social media, or you want to improve your Mandarin speaking skills fast and then use it to achieve your dream. Click the link below to download Wei Ling Mandarin free one-on-one online speaking tutoring class right now. I'm Wei Ling. Good luck on your Mandarin journey.